I want to discuss with you how to control the sound files and how to navigate among them. I pressed the pause button to stop it from playing, but if I had not, PowerPoint would have continued to play the sound file until it was over. Some sound clips are just a few seconds, while others are longer. You can use these controls to play, pause, and stop the sound file. The name of the current sound file is beside the word caption, right below the controls. I can see that the current file is the light piano one I chose. If you're not sure this sound file is the one you want to use, just click the next arrow and the next sound file will open and start to play. That sound file is called Smooth Jazzy. You can continue to advance and listen to other sound files or press the previous button to listen to previous files. Then click the Close button to close the dialog box. Whichever sound file was active in the preview window when you closed it will be the file that is selected in the task pane. I think I'm ready to insert the Smooth Jazzy sound file. Before I do that, I need to make sure the slide where I want to insert the sound is selected. Then, I just need to click the file in the Clip Art task pane, and a dialog box appears. From here, you have to decide whether you want the music to play automatically or whether you want to click to activate it. I'll choose automatically. Now, the sound icon appears on the slide. Two new tabs appear on the ribbon: the Sound Tools Options tab and the Picture Tools Format tab. From this point, all the commands on both tabs work the same as when I inserted a sound file that was stored on my computer. You can also play an audio CD or specific songs on a CD during a presentation. To add sound from a CD, select the Insert tab and click the drop-down arrow on the Sound command. Now choose Play CD Audio Track. The Insert CD Audio dialog box appears. To add sound from a CD, you must have a music CD inserted into the CD drive on your computer. If you do, you can go ahead and enter the information in the dialog box. In the clip selection area, just enter the number of the first track on the CD you want to play, and then enter the number of the track where you want to end. You can type the number directly into the field or use the arrows. The time field allows you to indicate at what time in the first track you want to start playing. I want to start at the beginning of track 4, so I'll leave that as it is. In the end track time field, I need to enter the time during the last track that I want to stop playing. I actually want to play all of track 6. Since it is 3 minutes and 2 seconds long, I'll enter that here. In the Play Options section, you can choose to loop the tracks until stopped and adjust the volume. I think I will click to loop it. In the Display Options section, you have to decide whether you want to display or hide the sound icon during the slideshow. I don't want that to be visible, so I'll just click to hide the sound icon. Once all the information is entered, click OK. Then a dialog box appears. You have to decide whether to play the music automatically or whether you want to click to play the music. I'll click automatically, and now a sound icon appears on the slide. Since we're working with a CD, the sound icon is of a disc. Again, the Options and Format tab appear on the ribbon. This time, however, the Options tab is a bit different. You can see that it is a CD Audio Tools Options tab. Some of the commands are similar to the ones we saw when we inserted other sounds, but you do have some new options in the setup group. Adding sound in PowerPoint is simple. Mark your special events by including impressive sounds.